G'day kids, Ozzie here. Now things are getting exciting and a little nervous because you are about to head to big school. Whether it's called pre-primary, kindergarten, prep, reception, transition, or even something else, starting the first year of school is an exciting time. It is filled with new experiences and adventures. If you're about to embark on this wonderful journey, here's what you can expect and some tips on how to prepare for this exciting world of learning, fun, and new friends. At Big School, you'll have lots of fun activities like drawing, singing, and playing games with new friends. You'll learn to write your name, count numbers, and even read words. Remember, it's okay to feel a little nervous or excited. It's a big step. School will be a place to have fun though, make new friends, and learn new things. So here's a few tips to help you get ready. What to expect. Making friends. You'll meet lots of new friends. Some might become your best pals that you are mates with for life. Your classmates will come from lots of different places and have different backgrounds. Learning. You'll learn to read, write, count, and explore many new and exciting subjects. And you'll have lots of fun learning too. Teachers will introduce fun games and activities to help teach you all of these new things. Teachers will explain the rules like raising your hand when you want to speak or listening when others are talking. You'll learn to take turns and share with your classmates, but I think many of you will know how to do this already. Fun activities. School is fun. It really is. There will be art, music, and games to enjoy. You'll have time to play and learn outdoors too, during fruit break or recess and lunch, or whatever your school calls them. How you can prepare. Practice independence. Try getting up and getting dressed on your own in the morning. Practice using the toilet or the bathroom on your own too. And practice using your lunchbox and being able to open and unwrap all the yummy and healthy food that you have packed for the day. Read and tell stories. Read books and discuss the stories with your family. Try telling your own stories and using your imagination. Practice counting and recognizing numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, Count objects around you, like toys or fruits, and practice recognizing numbers and shapes, like triangles, squares, circles. Develop fine motor skills. What does that mean, Ozzie? Well, try drawing, colouring, or cutting with safety scissors. Play with building blocks or clay to improve hand coordination. That's what fine motor skills are. Routine. It's also a great idea to get into the habit of a bedtime routine so you'll feel rested and ready for school every day. School days can feel long and tiring, so we need to make sure that we're well rested and eating healthy to help us with the energy we need to enjoy each day. Don't worry, you'll get used to it. So there you go kids, hopefully with this list of ideas you can get yourself ready for the new, exciting school adventure that awaits. Starting school is an incredible time. Embrace this new experience, ask questions, and always remember to have fun and stay keen while learning. Thanks for watching kids, I hope you're feeling excited. I'm wishing you a fantastic time at school. From Ozzie, good luck and stay keen. Let me just remind you about our merch items available on our website, like our mini Ozzie hat made just for kids' heads. One of my favourites, Ozzie socks, with a nice little message reminding you to always stay keen. You can get yourself a sweatband, just like Ozzie's, but even cooler, with Ozzie's logo. Or a mini replica Ozzie tee made just for you kids. Or brand new to our website is our personalised video message made just for you from Ozzie. Right now available on our website, ozzieforkids.com.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie.
G'day kids, Ozzie here. Today on Storytime with Ozzie, we've got a great book which is going to be perfect for those of you out there that might be getting ready for your very first day at school. Are you excited? Are you nervous? Well, that's okay. Nerves are good. Now let's read this one together. It's called First Day. It's by Andrew Daddo and Jonathan Bentley. Are you ready? I'm ready. You look ready. She looks excited, doesn't she? It's great. Let's have a yummy breakfast. Pancakes? Fruit salad? Not porridge. It's time to get dressed. Look, she's putting her new school uniform on. That looks very cool. You can wear your new shoes too. We might need a hat today with fancy hair underneath. Look, the mum and the little girl are both getting ready together. Doing their hair, putting on their hats, getting excited and ready for school. It'll be fun. You'll make new friends, new BFFs. But I'll always be your bestest BFF, your BFF. There'll be new games to play and new rules. Look, she's playing netball. You might have to be a bit brave. That's okay. We can all be brave, can't we? Brush, brush, wash, wash, scrub, scrub. Getting themselves nice and clean and ready for school. Got everything? You look fantastic. That's a great word, isn't it? Fantastic. They look ready for lots of fun today. And what has she got in her school bag? Pencil case, book, calculator, some other books. We've got some pens and pencils, sharpeners, a glue stick, and some lunch. You need to make sure that you pack your lunch, a nice, healthy, balanced lunch, so you have all the energy you need to get through the school day. And then the grown-up over here has grown-up things, like a purse, a receipt, a pen, photo of the little girl, mobile phone and keys, and that's the little doll. That's the little girl's doll that she's given her to hold. That's really cool, isn't it? First day, cheese! Look, they're taking a selfie together so that they can remember the moment. That's important, isn't it? I might have to be a bit brave too, but it's not for long. Let's meet here when the bell goes. That's right, they're saying, let's meet here. They know the spot where they both have to go. They can both be excited to get there at the end of the school day. A kiss for love your luck. I won't mind if you miss me. Remember what we always say, the best bit about waving goodbye is the next wave will be hello. That's a good one, isn't it? I like that little saying. See? That wasn't so bad, was it, Mum? And the next day will be even easier. That's it. The end of the school day goes like that, super quick, and before you know it, you can be with your grown-ups again, giving them hugs and kisses and making sure they're okay and they haven't missed you too much. And then they walk home together hand in hand. And they get up the next day and get dressed and ready to do it all again. And imagine all the friends and all the fun things she got to do on her first day at school. And each day is going to get easier and probably more fun. And it's always more fun when you're learning things with your new friends at your new school. Kids, I wish you all the very best on your very first day at school and for the rest of your schooling lives. Make sure that you do lots of learning and of course you have lots of fun. Have a fantastic day. See you on another episode of Storytime with Ozzie very soon. Until then, stay keen and happy schooling. Hey kids, did you have lots of fun today watching Ozzie? I hope so. Did you know that we've got a heap of Ozzie episodes on our YouTube channel? If you haven't already, go back and have a scroll through. I reckon you'll find some others that you absolutely love. And while you're there, why don't you hit subscribe? That way you won't miss out on any of our new videos that we bring out. We'll see you again soon, kids. Until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Ozzie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.